is me, Shani, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did my makeup for this Pride collab I just participated in. I shouldn't have decided to eat chocolate chip cookies right before filming a makeup tutorial. They're good as fuck though. I stole them from my grandma. She got them from Publix today, and they're so soft and so. I don't even like chocolate chip cookies, honestly. Peanut butter is my favorite, but these are really good. Okay, so first I'm going in with the Morphe brow cream in the color Mocha. I think I posted this in my lip bar tutorial video. I really like this pomade. It's really nice and consistent. Don't laugh at my brows. My brows are very garbage. I literally cannot stand my brows. The shape, the scar, they just never look right. But you know, they're all I have, so I have to do what I gotta do. Next, I'm going in with my brow concealer. It is the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Tan. And I'm highlighting under my brows. And I'm going to blend that out onto my lids. I just got this color from Walmart. And it's actually really decent. It's a new color for me. I usually use Cafe. But Tan, I think, is definitely more of a neutral concealer for like natural days. And I'm kind of enjoying it right now. So now I'm going in with the Morphe Lisa Frank palette, and this is a picture of the look I was inspired by that you just saw. And I'm going to be using the color Puppy Love, which is that nice bright pink. Next, for that yellow, I'm going in with my Profusion Beauty Spectrum palette, and I'm using that color Marigold, which is that nice bold yellow. I got this palette from Walmart like last summer, and I never really used it much, but it has really decent bright colors, and it's super duper affordable if you're looking for an affordable palette with some nice colors. They are some of the colors are a bit powdery, but they build up nicely, and they have a decent range of colors, so I'm not complaining. Now for that blue, we're going back into the Morphe palette and we're using the color Angel Baby. It's weird that this color kind of reminds me of Chloe from Bratz because you know her. I think her nickname was like Angel Baby or something like that. I think I might have said it incorrectly. The color is Angel Kitty, but I think Chloe from Bratz like nickname was Angel Baby, and all her stuff was like had angel wings or the halo. It was always blue, and I just thought it was so cute. Like blue is my favorite color, but you know. Also, are any of you guys getting that Bratz Makeup Revolution collab? I saw a couple palettes and lip glosses that I wanted, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to get it just yet. I'm probably going to wait. But, you know, Bratz were the girls with passion for fashion, and those are my girls, so I might have to go in there and get that. But I'm really trying to avoid buying more makeup palettes because I really don't need any more, and I just bought this Morphe. But yeah, I went back in to touch up the colors afterwards because they did get a little bit muddled and kind of messy, so I had to redefine those lines every time. Now I'm going with this plain white primer by LA Colors. It's not an eyelid primer, but I use it anyway, and I'm using that to kind of carve out a space between like the shadows because I'm gonna like make it matte. to kind of blend in with my skin. I did not do a good job of putting this on, just to let you know, as you can see, but this primer is like my go-to eyelid primer because I don't have like an actual eyelid primer, but you know, it does what it needs to do in a pinch. Now I'm going to go into my Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to use that tan color Punch Me to fill in the space where I put that white, because it kind of blends in with my skin, and you guys saw in the reference photo, that's kind of how the eyeshadow was, and I'm just tapping that into the spaces where I put the white concealer. So I didn't really show the product, but I used like my hydrating face primer by Bolero, and then I went in with my Ordinary concealer, and this is like I think it's hard candy like primer. It's green. I put that around my mouth because I have a lot of redness in my mouth area, and that just helps my foundation and stuff go on a little bit easier. Now for foundations, I am mixing my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cappuccino, and then I'm mixing the lip bar just a tinted moisturizer in the color Honey, and I mix these two together to get my perfect tone. I'm just putting that all over my face, and I'm gonna blend it out with the Beauty Blender. And then I set that under my eyes and my nose with my Coty Airspun translucent powder. Y'all remember when that was all the girls used to use a couple years ago on the YouTubes? It was great. And then I brushed that off. And now I'm going back into that Profusion Beauty Spectrum palette, and I'm using the color Rave as my blush, and I'm kind of extending this blush all over my face. This is not something I would ever do, but this tutorial, this collab really helped me step outside of my comfort zone when it came to makeup. So I put that all over my cheeks, and at first I put too much, but then I just had to continue blending it out to match the reference photo and put it on my nose. And like I said, this is something very new for me. This is not something I'm used to doing, but you know, I did what I had to do. Now I'm going with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow setting spray. It has a little bit of sparkle in there, and it kind of helped me set everything. Then I'm going in with the Bad Habit Beauty Glow palette for my highlighter, and I think this is in the color Champagne or something like that. I don't know if y'all remember Bad Habit Beauty, but they used to be on the Hush app. If y'all remember Shop Hush, where everybody used to get those cheap dupe palettes, like leave a comment down below. I used to love Shop Hush. I'm so mad they went out of business because I had so many coins left over. I used to get so much free makeup. But Bad Habit made this glow palette. It was like a dupe of Anastasia, but they went out of business. But Bad Habit is now a skincare company. I think like Emma Chamberlain and a lot of other YouTubers like are sponsored by them. You guys should check it out. I don't know. But yeah, come back to makeup. So now for my lips, I'm going with this Wet n Wild liquid catsuit called The Shade is Teal. It's like a play on The Shade is Real, and I love this. Y'all know If anybody knows me knows I love a good bold blue lip. Like I love blue lipstick so much. Like blues and teals and purples, like and black. Like those are my favorite lip shades, and I'm so mad that like not Bad Habit. ColourPop used to have all the cool colors like this, and then they just stopped. But yeah, then I'm going back in and putting a little bit of that highlight like above my lip to accent my Cupid's bow. And yeah, we're coming to the end of the tutorial, almost. Then I'm going in with my little sparkles. These I made on the Cricut, on my Cricut machine. I just printed these out on some holographic vinyl. They're supposed to be nail stickers, but I've yet to use them on my nails. Shout out to Vanity Valencia for her tutorial on how to make nail decals on your Cricut. It's super easy, and if you have a Cricut, you should really do it, so you don't have to pay arm and a leg for nail decals. And then I just put some little sparkles and glitters and little like nail gems and stuff on my face to kind of match the reference photo. And I attached these with some eyelash glue that I got from Dollar Tree. It's like the Ione brand. And yeah, I was trying to put these other little sparkles on there, but it didn't really turn out the way that I wanted it to. It's not that cute, but yeah. So here we go. This is the completed look. I'm proud of myself for stepping outside of my comfort zone. Thank you so much, Twin, for the opportunity. I had so much fun participating in this collab. Make sure you guys go check out my twin, Adriana. I'm going to link her channel in the cards above, and I'm also going to link her Twitch channel down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.